How to turn on rings on audio or video calls on Snapchat. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open Snapchat. Then when you open your Snap, you go here on your profile, then click and then go to settings. After settings, go to notification and you go down to this option ring and you will click here in this icon to turn on this option, and now it will work on you. And that's it guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you next video.